Hello guys, welcome to Codewars series. So today we have a 60Q task which is multiplies of 3 and 5, and we will be solving this one today. So the instructions for this one are: if you list all the natural numbers below 10 that are multiplies of 3 and 5, we will get 3, 5, 6 and 9. The sum of these multiplies is 23. Find the solution so that it returns the sum of all multiplies of 3 and 5 below the number passed in. So number passed in is this one. So as you can see in this example, number less than 10 but not including 10, sum of these are 23. So today I will paste my solution that I've already made, and I will explain it to you now. So the first one, we will define this variable sum, which is 0 at the very beginning, and we will be using the for loop to loop from 0 to that number. So not including it, as you can see, it's less than number. We are incrementing I, and we are checking if our number is divisible by 3 and 5 at the same time. So it is divisible by 15 actually, because this modulo returns 0 if dividing by 3 or 5 are integers, so not float numbers. For example, dividing 5 modulo 3 is 1, and 5 slash 3 will be 1, but 5 modulo 3 will be not equal 0. Okay, so here we are checking if our number is divisible by 3, and if it is, sum will be incremented by that number. The same situation with 5, and if our number is less than 0, then sum plus equals 0, so we will add 0 basically to that number. Of course, return sum, and let's check this one. Yes, it's working. Let's attempt the solution. It's working. So basically that's it guys for today's task. See you in the next one, and of course solution will be on my GitHub repo, which I will put in the description down below. And of course, if you like this video and if you like this series, like this video then and share it with your friends. See you in the next one. Bye bye.